Spring and Summer 2024 Event Decor Trends from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. The Wedding Report, a research company that collects wedding statistics for the wedding industry, released its summary of wedding spending from 2022, as the weddings have concluded and purchases tallied for 2022. The cost of a wedding is on the rise, which can be attributed to a better outlook, but also inflation and demand. So the most important takeaway to floral designers from these statistics is to see nationwide where spending has increased. Where are brides and grooms willing to spend more? What is important to them? The boom of wedding venue flowers decor. Last year, wedding venue flowers and decorations witnessed an unprecedented surge in spending, becoming the most significant area of growth among all wedding expenses. No other wedding purchase witnessed such a substantial increase, including attire, food, entertainment, invitations, and jewelry. The Wedding Report's in-depth analysis reveals that couples are embracing floral arrangements in a big way, with spending on all floral categories, including bouquets, boutonnieres and corsages, venue accessories, venue decorations, venue flowers and arrangements, and table centerpieces, all experiencing growth. But the most notable shift was the growth in venue flowers and arrangements, surged by an impressive 20% in just 1 year, outpacing all other floral and non-floral expenses. This growth highlights the category's distinct status. Venue flowers and arrangements is not centerpieces and not decor made with other materials. If you're not showcasing captivating venue flower ideas, you're missing out on a lucrative opportunity. What are the popular wedding venue florals? Feature walls, made of flowers and plants, aren't going away. Flower backdrops are here to stay, as every event needs a designated photo spot. And while more ceremonies are being requested tech-free, receptions are full of selfie snapping. Garlands. Lush flowers and greenery is in, but so is an airier garland. With the ability to dress up venue walls and extend further with less flowers, garlands made with full stems give a wild and organic quality many brides gravitate toward. As a keepsake, couples are even bringing garlands home for above their headboard or a crib. Flower and plant chandeliers are a big focal point that helps create the mood. Over the past year, couples are seeing hanging florals in more places, like restaurants and corporate lobbies, making them feel more attainable. Designers have also found ways to make these designs lightweight with easy mechanics, like this wreath-based chandelier made by Tom Bowling, AIFD PFCI. Other wedding floral trends. In lieu of napkin rings, flowers offer a personal touch outside of the centerpiece. With gowns as an indicator, we see a demand for thoughtful and intricate details. Flower crowns. Many bloggers are predicting they are coming back again. The 2023 Pinterest predictor indicated airy styles with lace and flow would be in demand. As those consumers tied the knot in 2024, flower crowns would fit the fashion. Ombre is in. Monochromatic florals remain popular. Whether in a bold, warm, cool, or neutral palette, couples understand the sophistication and dimension that comes with layering shades. No more matching bridesmaids. Wedding party members don't have to wear the same outfit anymore, so they also don't need the same bouquet. Show your value as an artist to couples by showing you add these thoughtful touches. Containers create shape. Event designs are showing a broader range of centerpiece styles. Beyond traditional round flower forms, designs are captivating and tailored to the specific event or occasion. By carefully considering the container and its relationship to the floral material, designers can create arrangements conducive to a dinner table, but also conceptually meaningful. Narrow choke containers. Embracing verticality. Containers with a narrow choke provide a framework for floral arrangements that emphasize verticality. These containers allow stems to reach upwards, creating a sense of elegance and sophistication. Tall, slender containers are particularly well suited for arrangements featuring branches and orchids. Wide mouth containers, capturing organic flow. Containers with a wider mouth, such as compotes and bowls, offer a canvas for arrangements that showcase organic shapes and draping lines. These containers accommodate a greater volume of floral material, allowing designers to create arrangements that cascade and spill over the edges for a sense of movement and abundance. Wide-mouth containers are ideal for incorporating vines, trailing foliage, and cascading blooms, such as orchids, ivy, and roses. With a vast array of developing trends, the role of floral design in event planning will only grow in significance. Floral designers play a crucial role in creating events that are not only visually stunning, but also meaningful and memorable. This brief overview of 2024 event decor is just the beginning.